Who are you? Who are you?
I kept to you.
Who are you?
So that you can see what your wife will do. But the time to be blind.
But I can see. I can see. Honey?
Yes, baby.
Honey, is that you?
Yes, it's me.
Oh, you took so long.
My love, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I left you all alone.
It's fine. How are you now?
I'm fine.
Honey, did you come with somebody?
Oh, no, I came alone.
Okay. Okay, my love. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I waited so long and I'm very hungry.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yes. Yes, my love.
Oh, what would you like to eat?
Anything you make for me, my love.
Okay. But honey,
Yes.
what about the money you promised?
Okay, the money. I was waiting for you to come back, so you helped me and cover my account officer.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I can talk to the account officer.
Okay.
Honey, are you okay?
Yeah,
you.
yes.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
here.
okay, my love.
I'm here.
Call the account officer.
Okay.
You give me the phone. Let me talk to him.
Okay.
Give me the phone.
Okay.
Hello, Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Yes. I want to transfer all my money to a particular account. Yes, my wife's account. Yes, as I cannot see again, so she can use it. And baby, baby, yes, my wife, yes. Okay, Emmanuel. You cannot send it today. No, I want all the money to be transferred today to her account today. Okay, make the transfer. No, I don't have money in that one. Send from Emmanuel, send from the other account.